Jillian Fortner is live in the KTVZ parking lot getting a current look at those conditions. Jillian.
It's actually snowing right now, Lee and Lindsay. It wasn't like that before. It's still a pretty sight, whether it's in the day or at night, but the snow is causing drivers to be really frustrated. You already know we've been seeing lots of them complain about really long commutes, and also just this type of weather can be hard on your car. So I decided to stop by one of the local tire shops earlier to see how it's impacting their business and how drivers can get ahead of these troubles.
As bad as the roads are, obviously, those roundabouts are killers.
Getting around Central Oregon has been a challenge due to our winter weather.
Having Olney and Portland Avenue both closed has been horrendous. I'm up at COCC, and to get home the last 2 nights has taken me a full hour.
And for Bonnie Criswell, it's caused unexpected car troubles.
My windshield wiper flew off last night coming home, so I'm here today to get it replaced.
LaSchwab and Ben says that's been pretty common this week.
We've been having a lot of battery issues, of course, because of the cold snap, windshield wipers breaking as well. So we service all that stuff too.
The manager says some people are just now switching to their winter tires.
If you're proactive and you get them on ahead of time, good for you. If not, we're here. As bad as the roads are, it's important to have, that extra security of having good tires on your car.
I have all winter tires with 4-wheel drive, so I feel really comfortable.
And it's not just about your tires. Your vehicle's battery and brakes should be checked as well.
Drive your car daily, the battery should be fine, but unfortunately batteries don't always give you that fair warning of when they're going to go out.
I don't think my windshield wiper has ever flown off, but I definitely have had a dead car battery in the winter, and yeah, that is not fun. And if you're starting to worry about that now, you can actually go drive over to LaSchwab and they'll check it for you and see where the life is at. Typically, these car batteries can last 3 to 5 years, but weather does play a role, whether it's really hot or really cold. So it's always a good thing to get that checked. And also your driving habits do have an impact. Live in front of KTVZ, Jillian Fortner, KTVZ News.
It's a great reminder to stay safe driving in those conditions. Thank you.